So just like you see from the beginning, I'm trying to make a loop. So if you can just make a loop, that is number one. I know almost everyone can make a loop. So you just insert your crochet into it, then you drag the wool, pull it to yourself, then making a second loop. From that second loop, you insert your crochet again, pull it, then you make a loop again. That's loop, one loop into the other loop. This is the front view, like as if you're watching it from my direction. So this is a loop, you drag one loop into another loop, you drag another loop into a loop, you drag another loop into a loop, and drag again and pull it to my side. So this is, I'm just making it loose so that it will be easier for anyone learning for the first time, because this is a beginner's lesson. So I'm just using a different color of wool. So this is a view from behind, like from the opposite side, so don't be confused. It's just showing you, okay? Then going back to the view as if you're learning, as if you're me doing it. So that is it. A loop again, a little bit quicker now, and it's a little bit tighter. So that is all. I make loops now. This is the first line, the first stage, like making something longer or a square.